It's time to craft. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I am taking these cutting boards and I am actually sanding down some of the wording so that I can apply the paint to it. I will be painting both sides in this Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white, and I will also be using this paint for all the pieces to put this DIY together. Now for this DIY, it is a inspired piece from something I saw on Crate and Barrel's website. It was a cookbook and tablet stand. Now keep in mind, this is just an inspired piece. I may go back and create a dupe of it, but this is something that I will be gifting to someone less fortunate, and it is a part of the 12 days of Craftmas that I am participating in. And again, as you can see, I am painting all the pieces to this cookbook stand or tablet stand in the color Rust-Oleum linen white. And I have took out about 5 or 6 of the tumbling tower blocks because these will be used as the brace to hold or to put up underneath the stand holder or the tray, whatever you want to call it. And these wood planks work absolutely amazing. So if you can find those at the Dollar Tree, it comes in a six pack, make sure you pick some up. But guys, I'm excited about this opportunity to do this again, where I just create 12 different crafts over a period of 12 days to give to the less fortunate. And so as you can see, I am gluing down the shelf holder or the cookbook holder or tablet stand. I'm gluing down the pieces to the front and to the back, and I'm having to add more anchor pieces to the back of it so that when the books are on there, they're not just sitting straight up, they have sort of an angle. So I use a popsicle stick to act as the back brace to the wood plank so that I could achieve the result I was looking for. And again, this was an inspired piece from Crate and Barrel. And one thing I forgot to do was add the front piece on that kind of closes in the shelf itself. And I have glued down the word blessed to the top of this, and I was just playing around with these half beads to see if I wanted to add them, and I decided not to. And now I'm just stringing, which is kind of off camera. I am stringing some of those beads, actually 3 of the beads to the top to give it sort of a hanger. And look at that, guys. I think someone would love that for Christmas. You got to tell me what you think in the comments, and in the upcoming clip, this is my recent author, my sister's keeper, The Joy of the Journey. She signed with my publishing company back in, I think, 2018. This is her second book, and we have finally brought it to market. Congratulations, Olivia Simmons. And if you want more information about her book, I will leave it in the description box. But until the next Craftmas, talk to you soon.